LanguageCert Achiever B1 Entry Level 3 International ESOL Speaking. My name's Angelina. Are you Haram Zishan, right?
Yes, I'm Haram Zishan.
Can you spell your family name for me?
Yes, Haram Haram. Zeshan Zishan.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan, Lahore.
Thank you. Now, part one. I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself and your ideas. Let's talk about the area where you live. What problems does your area have?
It has a lot of electricity issues and net problems.
All right. Let's talk about photography. What do you do with the photos you take?
I kept it on my gallery and send it to my friend.
Let's talk about money management. Generally, what luxuries do you spend your money on?
Shoes and bags, probably,
Why?
because I love that.
Thank you. Let's talk about personal comfort. What sort of clothes do you wear for social occasions?
I like to wear long dresses like maxis and frocks.
Let's talk about qualifications and examinations. What has been the most difficult examination you have taken?
It's still the 9th board and 10th.
Thank you so much. You have passed your part one. Good job. Now, part two, we are going to role play some situations. I want you to start or respond. First situation, we are classmates. You are trying to finish some important work. I start. Why do you have to finish that now?
Because we're getting so late.
Where are we going?
We are going for a project together.
Yes, I know that. But we have plenty of time. You don't have to finish it right now. We can go to the cafeteria.
Yes, we can go and talk about the project.
That'd be okay. Would you like to eat something?
Yes, I like to drink coffee.
All right. Okay. Would you like to have strong coffee or like a hot chocolate?
Whatever you like.
Okay, all right. Let's go to the cafeteria then and discuss our project together. Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you. Second situation. I've just arrived at your home for a meal. I've never met your family before. You start.
Okay, hi, welcome to my home.
Thank you.
This is my mother, and I live with my mother and sister. What would you like to eat?
Well, anything that you could offer. It's my first time in here, and it's really nice to meet your family. Your mother seems so lovely.
Would you like some water?
Certainly, yes.
Okay, have a sit.
Have a seat. Yes. Thank you. Continue. Talk. Haram.
Would you like to watch TV?
No, I'd like to talk to you. What have you been doing these days? Are you studying or are you working?
I'm studying these days. How
What do
about you?
Oh, well, I've been married, having kids. Not an amazing life, very busy life. Boring at the same time.
All right.
What are your future plans?
My future plans are just to complete my college first and then think about it later.
Thank you. Thank you so much. This is the end of part two. Well done. Haram, you have to talk more, okay, beautiful? Whenever such a situation comes, you need to lead the conversation. I'm just your partner, like to help you out, but you need to talk more.
Yes.
Now, part 3. We are going to discuss something together. Our English class is bringing out a school magazine. We need to decide what to put in it. Let's ask and answer questions to help us make some decisions. I'll start. I think we should definitely put some jokes and cartoons in the school magazine. What do you say?
Yes, you are right. And I also think that articles about school life will help us.
That's a brilliant idea. What else is on your mind?
It's school future events and photographs from school trips. What do you think?
I think that's a good idea. That's a brilliant idea. Anything else? Do you think we should put school future events there too? Like what would be happening? I think that would be very exciting for the students.
Yes, you're right.
Okay, all right. More, talk more. You need to lead the conversation. Lead.
Okay, advice about exam preparation, jokes and cartoons, articles about school life, photographs from school trips. I think these 4 will help us for this project.
All right, so it is decided that we are going to put, but I don't know what we should be putting on the first page. Can you tell me what should be the order?
I think the photographs from school trips will look good on the first page.
Okay,
The group photos of teachers.
All right, okay. Now, part 4. You're going to talk about something for 90 seconds. Your topic is your memories of school. You have 30 seconds to take any notes if you wish.
Okay.
Please speak now.
Should I start?
Yes, please. 90 seconds.
Okay, so I have a lot of good and bad memories of school. First of all, I don't used to like going school, but then I have created a lot of memories and I still remember it. And now I miss my school too. So there were a lot of schools that I changed and made a lot of new friends every year. And I had great memories while I was performing in school in any performance. We used to take a lot of breaks when we used to do this, and I still remember the break time. We used to eat lunch together and have fun. We used to talk a lot, and I still remember all the friends and their memories that I've created with them. I miss my first school too, because that was the first time I was going to school. I didn't had friends, so I was used to cry and not used to go to school first. But then after I made friends in another school, I really enjoyed a lot with them.
Thank you.
We
Thank you
used to,
so much for talking. Now I will ask you some follow-up questions. Tell me about a
okay.
teacher who was once important to you.
It was my English teacher in class 5.
How have schools changed since your parents' time?
I don't know much about it, but I think they have changed a lot, especially the board thing.
Okay. And what are your plans about your future education?
I really don't know it much, but let me complete my college, then I'll think about it.
What do you remember about your school building?
I remember the playground. There were 2 playgrounds.
Thank you. You have gotten 50 out of 50.